This company is sweet. This company is sweet. Look at that thing. Can you see my account again? The last video I did, I think yesterday was $18. Look at what my account is saying now. Do you see? $110 between yesterday and today. Like more than $90 entered this account. This business is like money minting machine. Look at what I was telling you. Look at down. Let me refresh. So let me refresh. Do you see look at my ZenCoin now? It has increased. Maybe that's the way they push it outside. I have 2,700 before. Look at 500 has added to it. Maybe 755 they used to add. I have 2,700 before. 2,705. What is minting inside? I think they are sending it outside. Maybe after 555 coin have minted, they will now send it outside. Do you see? This business is what? It's a money making machine. At $18 I have yesterday, yes. Can you see? 110. I've removed 10 yesterday, self. I've removed $10. No, $14 yesterday. I removed $14. So what's that? The company has given me between. It's more than $100. It's more than $100. Can you see the power of this ZenFi? It's not by mouth. Don't say because they are using mouth. I'm showing you practical. When I did this video yesterday, I have $18 there. Look at 110. Now, guys, don't play with it too. Let me take if I can take you inside. Let me see. But for those of you that I know some of you will be doubting. Let me go to, is it affiliates? Pool. Is it pool? For you to see how money is coming in. Look at it. Look at how the money is coming in. Do you see? That money is not it's not more money. Can you see? Pool inflow 64. Pool inflow 32. Pool inflow 16. Pool inflow 32. Do you see? People are making money massively. Can you see? $1, $2. Can you see? You need to come and join. If those of you that are sleeping, you need to wake up. Come and join ZenFi Ecosystem. I will need someone like that. The word is not good morning to us. Happy Sunday as usual. Now, this morning I want to charge us for most of those of us that are in this platform that you are still procrastinating. I will activate my account tomorrow. I will do it next tomorrow. That money you have in bank. I want to just give you one scenario. So, like 3 months ago, the GTB bank, I have GTB stock. The dividend they paid me for that money has been in my bank, been idle. I now use that money. Look at what I did now. The money, and I said, what's the sense of doing that money now? Let me use it to do something now. And my decision to bring it to ZenFi. Guys, listen to me and you listen. That money has been there. Bank have been sending charges. They've been removing that money. The purchasing power of that money has been coming down, reducing. If I leave that money 1 year now there, you will see that the bank will finish it for me. Bring that money to ZenFi. My ability to be able to activate the level that I'm able to do. I'm seeing the result now. What I'm saying next is that difference between the poor and the rich is mindset. Your ability to be able to make good strategic decision. Guys, this is a video. I don't want to stay more time. Look at now. Level 1, if level 1 of ZenFi, $10 divided by what they are selling that coin 0.01. They are giving all that coin at the rate of 0.1. They are not selling it to be sales without any time from now. What I'm saying is that if you do level 1, they will give you 100 units of that coin. Meaning that they are selling that coin at 0.1. Simple analysis. If you do level 1 and level 2, level 1 this plus level 2 10 to $30 plus level 3 40, that is 70 divided by 0.1. They give you 700 units of that coin. Why do you not leave that coin there? When they said they are going to release that coin in 2 months time in the DEX. Guys, what I did, my fellow people, if you don't sleep, go and do the same thing. Level 3, level 4, what I'm trying to do is that my level, I did level 1 to 7, 1 plus level 1, level 2, 20, level 3, level 4, 80, level 5, 160, level 320, 640. Is that 1,200? Answer divided by 0.1. The price look at what they give me. 12,700 units of that coin. What I did, the answer is I now remove 10,000 out of it. I went to go and put it on staking. Guys, we need to wake up. That's between the rich and the poor. That's how you identify the rich and the poor. Your decision, your mindset. Look at what I did. That money, that 10,000 units that they gave, the unit they gave me for doing level 1 to 7, and now remove it and now send it. Company is giving us money like they are dashing us money. There are a lot of ways to make money in this ecosystem, in ZenFi ecosystem. For those of you that are sleeping, you are still saying they are the same thing. Don't compare ZenFi with all those stuff. For all what we have been telling you now, showed all indication that this platform is going to shock the world. Look at what as 2 days ago now, that 10,000 units are giving me 10 units, more than 10 units of the coin. If you can't, another 10 days now, you see what they'll be giving me now, another 5 days. It will be more than, or 8 days, it will be more than people that did only level 1, they give 100 units. What I will get to, what this 10,000 units is minting for me, is reproducing for me. Are you with me? I'll get that 100 for those of what you people did. I mean, I'll make money that you people you what you put there. And let me now shock you. Look at this thing. They said by the, let me remove it. They are selling at 0.1 to us now. I mean, if we do, they say they are going to list 0.3 times 3 of what we make. That's meaning that, I see, if you do level 1 to 7, for instance, you do level 1 to 3, 1, 10 plus 20, level 2 plus what? Plus 40, level 1 to 3. Divided by 0.1. They give you 10 on the 700 units of that coin. 700 units of that coin. And that coin, they now list as 0.1. Look at what you do. How much do you put there? $700 times 3. You've made times 3 of that money. Is that not 700 times? Is that not 210? On the day of this in 2 months' time. About that, you now stake that coin again. What we are going to get there? I have doing analysis to open our eyes. On that day, that coin is still going to move up. Let's say that coin not even do. I'm just giving analysis. Let's say that day, that coin did not move at all. You said that day. I'm just giving the analysis. That day, that coin will not do not less than, when they list that day, not less than $1. $700. Guys, what are we talking about? That money you keep in bank, can bank give you that interest? Otherwise, they will be removing your money. What I'm saying next is that money you have in bank, don't allow inflation to finish it. This is a business you can do that can meet up with your inflation. You meet up with inflation. It's dollar we are in a year. And this family had capacity to give us more. They said, Pastor Olumide Mane said, where the difference between the rich, this money they spend is not the real money, the real principal. It is the money that one produce. The grandson of the money, the principal, what they spend, rich people spend. That's how to do this. What this platform is showing us is that your ability to don't touch your principal. It's only the money that money is, your money is going to be giving you. They want you to be touching. Guys,
we all need to wake up from our sleep in this ZenFi ecosystem. Everybody know that any business I'm doing, I prefer showing you practical more than theory. That's the reason why I'm showing you everything, all the documented journey from beginning, okay, from day one of this ZenFi ecosystem. The reason why I'm showing you this is for me to tell you that this kind of opportunity will not last forever. Okay, this Zen token you are getting now almost free of charge. There will come a time that is going to be very expensive for you to get it. Getting in with this $10, $20, $30, $70, $130, $300, and so on. Getting in this ecosystem, there will come a time that is going to be very expensive for you to get in. And by then, a lot of people have already cashed out big time. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What is that thing that is holding you? You can see the practical. This is real people making real money in ZenFi ecosystem. What are you waiting for? What is that your excuse? Why keeping that money in bank? Why that money can equally work for you and adding more money in your bank account? So what I want you to do right now is, I'm just pushing you. I'm just trying to push you to do what others are doing. The economy is not favorable, and if you keep quiet, you are going to miss a lot in ZenFi ecosystem. I'm going to be dropping this kind of testimonies every day for you to wake up. I want you to wake up in ZenFi ecosystem. You can see that I'm showing you my face. If this business is not real, I will not show you my face. And I don't promote something that is not real. That's one thing about me. Go and ask about DonRaph. We started with online money hunter back then. And a lot of people have cashed out from the update I dropped. I always drop to them. So what are you going to do? I have so many videos that explain how to join ZenFi ecosystem. Okay? What you are going to do is just to watch all those videos, or you can chat me directly so that I can, teach you everything or show you how you can do everything and how you can start making money on your own. You can see how much this person have been making. By now, it's already start making 1,000 plus now. Go to back office, check the back office. You are going to understand that this person have already made times 3 of the amount he spent in this ecosystem. The coin is not even live yet, and this person is making this kind of money. Just imagine what it will be when the coin go live and a lot of people queue in to buy this token. And also remember that this token is only 100 million pieces in total circulation. Others have a billion pieces, but our own has only 100 million, and it has community supporting it, and it also have buyback and burn. You guys don't know what is coming to ZenFi ecosystem. We also have so many ways, the board that can be trading for you, the game that you can be playing in this ecosystem. We have a lot. We also have dividends turnover, where you can one day you will just see $1,000 in your back office. That is just for you, for just being part of the ecosystem, for just being part of the backbone of the ecosystem. This is how ZenFi is going to surprise a lot of people. Binance started like this, Bybit started like this, and a lot of people neglected it. But today, thousands of people have millions of dollars in that project. Millions of dollars. And you are here, you don't want to join ZenFi ecosystem. I pity you. Go and join, Joe. See you guys at the top.